Assalamu alaikum. Uh, I'll demonstrate how I analyzed data of reading books. I have scraped data from Goodreads. This is the website. Mm, okay. So first of all, I want to show the code. How did I scrape using Python and Selenium? Okay. Here's the main function, and it executed from here. So I called main function, and I have added the URL of the website. Then I have added some features, which is column of the data. So I can see here are rank, title, author, rating, reading count, score, etc. are available, which I noted from this information. This is title, book, image, URL, and so on. Okay. Then I have run a loop for 1 to 11. I have scrap data for 10 page. I could scrap all of the page. Total page in this website has 100 page, but uh, I think top 10 page is enough, because after these pages I noticed that those books information are pretty similar, like rating, vote, count of vote, etc. are uh, pretty similar, so I did not go for that. And okay, let's back to the code. First of all, I did a print because I wanted to see which page is scrapping. So this is the updated URL for each page. I initiate the driver and open the browser. Then I uh, I go to the rows. Here each book belong to a row of a table. So first of all I pick the table, then body and rows, and then I in this uh, line I have the row, but after row I need more information, which is uh, td column, I mean column. So I have to collect all information from the column. And for this task I have added another method. You can see this is the method which is I called. So I pass the row, and in this method I'm getting the row which is the information of a book, and I have cleaned the data and finally return the expected data. So okay, I have added a unique length, which is during the scrap I found that some row belong to 12, and some row belong 13 column, which is some book has no review. So in that case the row belongs the row has 12 row columns. So I added a empty string for that. That means we have no review, and it makes the data set uh, all columns are same actually. Okay, now I collected all the data in this way, and finally I returned the data. So this method returning the data of one book. Okay, now so finally what this loop doing, uh, this loop is doing for all of the row in a single page, and this loop will run for total page. Okay, now each page, after each page I collect the data. I'm closing a driver, and when I open the new page, I initiate the driver again. Okay, fine. So I have print some information what I wanted to see, like the unique length, and finally I make the data frame from the data, and I save the data as data.csv. So if I run this, it will show how it works. I'm not gonna wait for all the time, just and just show you. Okay, this is the first page. It is scrapping, closing, and the second page. Okay, I'm gonna close. So after that I have a I got a CSV file which is data. So it's really hard to understand the data here, so I used a temporary notebook to read the data. So if I run this notebook is nothing actually. I just wanted to see the data format, like in the data the rating was in this in this format, so I needed to uh, check the data format. I could read in console, but I prefer this. Okay, so my scrapping is complete. Now let's see how what I did with tabular for analysis. Achha, okay, so first of all what I did, first of all I have show uh, most popular books. Okay, so here is most popular books depends on uh, peoples are want to read or peoples are interested. This popularity doesn't mean the um, rating. Okay, look, if I see this book, The Hunger Game, this rating, this book has a 4.34 rating, but this is the one of the most popular book all over the time. And the second book is Harry Potter, but I can see the rating of this book is pretty high, so I can understand that popularity with rating doesn't uh, relate actually. Maybe relate, but not that way. So here is the most popular books, and the second one is the same thing, just I have shown the top uh, books who has 1 million plus vote. Most of the book are here I can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 20, almost 20 book has only 20 books has 1 million plus vote, and I have uh, almost 1000 book, I think. Yes, I have almost 1000 book. Among the all 1000 book, we have all only 20 books in who has a 1 million plus vote. So yeah, it's interesting. And okay, now highly rated book. Okay, I have uh, showed here the highly rated book, so who has the most uh, high rating. So I can see the Harry Potter has the highest rating, 4.62, and so on. Okay, after that rating versus count. Okay, So what I have did here, I can see here is a graph who has ups and down point. In this point the rating is 3.66, but who has 7 million vote for rating, and in this site 2.7 million almost, but the rating is lower. And in this site I can see it has 4.47 million uh, rating, but it has 10 million plus vote for the rating. So I can see that rating and total vote for the rating doesn't relate in that way. If it doesn't mean that higher vote means mm, rating may be high or something like that. There might be some equation for calculate this. That is a different thing. Okay, the duplicate title. Okay, it's kind of interesting for me because uh, I found the same title in different books. Like we have A Coat of Mist and Fury. I have multiple books in the same name. Okay, and how did I filter this? Okay, if I show. Okay, I did filter by title and count, and the condition was if any book title has more than two, then it will be counted. So this is the way I have filtered. It's kind of interesting for me because when I was rating, was I was analyzed this rating, I found multiple. I mean, the rating was increased, where a total rating is 5, but I found a total rating is 9 or more than 10, something like that. So I noticed that uh, some book has the similar name, and which was the sum of the book. Okay, now author. Okay, I have filtered the authors whose the book by the author is the most popular or most rated. So I can see the J.K. Rowling, and his book is the most rated uh, book. Okay, he has two books maybe in this data collection. One of that is 4.7, 4.47, and one is 4.62. Okay, interesting. This my data did does not has a lot of information, so I could not analyze in a different way. So here is the data analysis for the reading books. I Okay, so after that, what is the story? Okay, I have shared the books. Okay, oh my bad, it is 1000 books. So what I already said that 1000 plus book. Actually I picked only uh, top 1000 book. So it makes sense that the other 9000 book doesn't have higher rating, right? So I can say that only 20 book of 10,000 books has 1 million plus vote, right? Okay, the second one is I shared that the duplicate title, which is I already explained what I did, and the finally dashboard. Okay, in this dashboard I can see the uh, most of the graph or analytics in the same page. So here is the top 50 books, most popular books, and here is the author, top 50 author, and here is the graph which is presenting that reading and count doesn't relate in normal way, okay. And finally here the duplicate title. So where is the uh, my analyze what I found from reading books. Thank you.